Neil said,
Now that is a bit more like it.
Yes! Good!
Really, really nice.
Darren recalled his chat with you guys on Friday and was very relieved to find a different vanity in the room today.
That's all them.
This is exactly what I wanted
Beautiful.
to see.
Shona thinks the panelling is truly divine.
And the way they've done the tiles to mirror that length is gorgeous.
The Regency profile is spot on.
With you, well done. Yeah.
And I think the combination of the VJ panelling with this beautiful decorative tile and then what I called reeded glass on the shower screen there just gives it that period feel. It feels sympathetic to the 1910s.
We made a lot of last-minute changes, well, my wife did, anyway, and
They paid off.
they paid off.
What Shona loved is that it's elegant, it's refined and delicate.
And these tiles, even though it's brand new, it has that aged look, so it's like a delicate soft print.
Darren agrees. This really gets the 1910s brief, meshed with a very contemporary feel.
It's been a hard week.
It's true, so whatever you said to these guys, it paid off. It feels appropriate to the age of the house.
And it feels like a room that very much belongs in Brighton in 2020. Darren did have one note about the reeded glass.
The side that you're going to have to clean soap scum off should be the smooth side.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this in fact should have actually been the other way around because you've got the rib side on the
okay.
shower.
Yes,
it's actually going to be a
course.
little bit trickier to clean.
Aesthetically, it looked better having the ripples on the inside, so we talked about it for a while.
And also, that's a hell of a lot of silicone in the top left corner, and it goes
Oh,
down
yes.
to fairly plumb,
Oh, okay.
fairly flush down the bottom on the left.
Something's not straight.
Suggesting there's either an unusual fall in the floor or the wall is out of plumb.
I think they've got to come back and have
They've
another
got to
look at
come
that. They
back,
were meant to
yeah.
come back.
Controversial styling choice to have a marijuana plant in the corner there.
Is it actually
It's the party house. Yeah, I brought one from home.
I'm coming.
We'll just cut that bit out.
we'll cut that bit.
Maybe it's a pawpaw. I reckon that's a pawpaw.
Calm down, everyone. It's a pawpaw. Neil, who was so concerned about you last week finding your style, was so impressed today.
Oh, thanks.
This is spot on for design.
I must admit, I love the way these bathrooms have all incorporated the Velux skylines. Visually, all the details take the eye upwards.
It's a room that will age very well too, with very contemporary elements like the basin, wall sconce, great tapware.
And because they've scored points for me with this beautiful tile on the floor and with the panelling on the walls, I think that's enough. That sets it in the period to which the house belongs.
For Neil, the only real negative was the lack of face-level storage.
Listen, in the real world, I honestly don't think people care about it as much as the judges care about it.
I had made the assumption that that was a cabinet.
Yeah.
And so lack of face-level storage is a little bit of an issue for me. I'm not a big fan of only having that storage.
And just before they left, Darren realised there wasn't a towel rail.
No, that's a hook.
Ah, so they've only got 2 hooks.
A couple of hooks on the wall is fine as a secondary, but you really need a towel rail to dry towels.
Yeah, we had some problems with
some
that.
issues there
It was
as
there. It came out at 4 o'clock on Saturday.
A couple of misses this week, but you got the main part right. You have delivered a very beautiful room with real emotional appeal. Yes. It has Federation soul and luxury coastal. Exactly the right heartstring-pulling features that would make a buyer say, take my money.
Good. Let's hope.
That's it.
It's been a horror week, so actually just to make it to where we made it yesterday,
Just to actually finish the bathroom.
it was, yeah, we're really happy with it.